In this video, we listed the 5 best printer under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 6230. The HP E3E03A-B1H is an inkjet office printer designed for small businesses, offering versatile connectivity options including Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet. It supports color printing with a maximum speed of 10 pages per minute, ppm, and monochrome printing at up to 18 ppm. Key features include wireless capability, borderless printing, and a 250-sheet input tray for enhanced productivity. The printer is compatible with a wide range of paper sizes from A4 to envelopes, catering to various business needs. It utilizes original HP ink cartridges, promoting cost-effective color printing compared to laser printers. Additionally, users can manage printing tasks conveniently using the HP Smart app, which supports mobile printing and scanning. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025E. The HP old version printer is designed for efficient performance in small businesses and home offices, offering wireless, USB, and Ethernet connectivity options. It utilizes inkjet printing technology and features a 2.7-inch touchscreen, auto document feeder, and network readiness. Capable of printing up to 20 pages per minute in monochrome and 10 pages per minute in color, it supports professional quality color document printing, including forms, reports, and presentations. The printer includes 6 months of instant ink service with HP Plus activation, ensuring automatic ink delivery and up to 50% savings on ink costs. It requires original HP ink and an HP account for HP Plus Smart features, which include mobile printing, security enhancements, and automatic updates. Periodic firmware updates maintain compatibility with original HP cartridges, blocking non-HP alternatives for consistent performance. Number 3. Canon PIXMA TR7020A. The Canon PIXMA TR7020A wireless color all-in-one inkjet printer combines functionality and convenience suitable for both home and office environments. It features wireless connectivity options including Wi-Fi and USB, with an intuitive 1.44-inch display for easy setup and navigation. This printer supports versatile media types and sizes, from plain paper to glossy photo paper and envelopes. It boasts high-quality printing with a resolution of up to 4800 dpi, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Additionally, it supports automatic double-sided printing for efficient document handling and meets ENERGY STAR standards for energy efficiency. The compact design enhances productivity without occupying much space, making it a practical choice for modern work environments. Number 4. HP OfficeJet Pro 6978. The HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 is a versatile color inkjet printer designed for efficient home office or small workgroup use. It supports multiple functions including printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, with features like two-sided duplex printing and scanning, a color touchscreen for easy navigation, and an automatic document feeder for handling tasks seamlessly. It offers flexible connectivity options including Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, enabling convenient printing from smartphones, tablets, or PCs. The printer delivers professional quality color prints at a speed of up to 11 pages per minute, ppm, in color and 20 ppm in monochrome, making it suitable for business environments seeking cost-effective, fast, and reliable performance. It is compatible with various paper sizes and is designed to be economical with features like HP Instant Ink, offering ink delivery to your doorstep to ensure you never run out. Number 5. KODAK Step Photo Printer. The KODAK Step Printer is a portable, compact photo printer designed for instant printing from iOS or Android devices via Bluetooth or NFC connectivity. Utilizing zinc technology, it prints on 2 inches by 3 inches sticky-back paper without the need for ink cartridges, delivering high-quality, durable prints that resist moisture, tearing, and smudging. The printer is complemented by a free KODAK app offering a full editing suite for customizing photos with filters, borders, stickers, and text. Weighing less than a pound and equipped with a rechargeable battery, it's ideal for on-the-go printing and appeals to photo enthusiasts and crafters alike.